There are two different ways to move in Blender. Over here to the left, there is a move button. It is represented by 4 arrows. Clicking on it, we can see we can now move our object. So if we drag one of the arrows, we can move it on the y-axis, the x-axis, and the z-axis. So now we're in move. If we go over to the left, let's go back to select. That's on the very top. It's a select box. So now it's on select. And with select, we can select different objects. So we can select an object, go to the move button, and now we can move an object. What I personally like to do is I keep it on the select object, and then I use a keyboard shortcut to move. So to move, you click G. So click G on the keyboard, and we can move an object. So G here, click this object, G here, click this object, G here. So in my workflow, I use the select over here, and instead of using the move button, I just do G, because what I found is it's a lot faster. So again, G is to move. And another way to do it is you actually click the grab or move button. And by moving these arrows, just dragging them, you can also move an object in that way.